Today, we're diving into the world of Google Sheets to show you how to create a sleek line graph that will make your data sing. Whether you're presenting at a meeting or just love organizing your life with charts, this tutorial is for you. So grab your data, open up Google Sheets, and let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your data. Start with opening Google Sheets and input your data in two columns, one for your independent variable, like time, and one for your dependent variable, like sales. Step 2. Select your data. Click and drag to highlight the cells containing your data. Make sure to include the headers. Step 3. Insert chart. With your data selected, navigate to the menu bar and click on Insert, then select Chart. Step 4. Customize your chart in the chart editor on the right. Choose Line Chart from the Chart Type drop-down. Here, you can also adjust the range, add titles, and customize the appearance. Step 5. Fine-tune your graph. Click on Customize in the chart editor to tweak the colors, font, and axis titles to make your graph truly yours. Step 6. Share your graph. Once you're happy with your graph, you can easily share it by clicking on the Share button or download it as an image to include in reports or presentations. And there you have it, a beautiful line graph made right in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more data visualization tips and tricks.